24, Padre Burgos, OFW, Lebanon. My topic is popular themes and children, adolescent, and literature. Introduction. Here are more than just entertainment. They teach us important life learning. These lessons are called themes, which reflect ideas like friendship, courage, and growing up. This lesson we will explore the common themes found in children and adolescent literature. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to identify common themes in children and adolescent literature, appropriate and importance of themes in real-life situation, and classify themes based on given story example. Motivation. What is your favorite story? What it is about. Motivation. This is help student connect their favorite story, its main idea or themes. Definition of themes. Themes, the main idea or message of story. A theme is the main idea or message that the author wants us to learn. Themes, is the lesson or messages that the story wants the reader and understand. Popular themes: friendship, caring, helping, supporting others. Friendship show how character help and care for each other. Family, love, support, strong relationship within a family. Family stories that show love, support, and relationship between family members. It focus on how family care about each other, solve problem, and stay connected. Adventure, a story about exciting journey, challenges, and new experiences. Adventure focus on exploring the new places and facing challenges along the way. Courage, being brave enough to face fear, challenges, or difficult situation. Courage means doing what is right even when you feel scared. Growing up, a theme about learning life lesson, becoming more responsible, and maturing over time. Good and evil, a theme where a good character fight against bad character, showing that the right choices are important and goodness can win. Good and evil, this theme show that struggle between right and wrong, where good usually overcome evil. A story about friendship show how characters support each other. Adventure, a story involved journey and challenges growing up. A story show how character life lesson. Conclusion. Themes are the messages and story that help us understand life with the world around us. By recognizing these themes, we can connect better with the character and lesson in every story. Assessment. And now, let's have a short activity. Read each situation and identify its theme. Let's start, class. Assessment. Direction. Read each short description. Write the correct theme. Choices: adventure, courage, family, growing up, and good and evil. Question number 1. Anna helped Kim's best friend solve a problem and stay by her side. Now is question number 2. A boy traveled to a magical land full of challenges. Question number 3. A girl stood up against a bully even thought she was afraid. Number 4. A story about the parents and children supporting each other. Number 5. A young teen learn from mistake and become more responsible. After this, let's check your answer. The answer key is number 1, friendship. Number 2, adventure. Number 3, courage. Number 4, family. Number 5, growing up. Today, we learn that themes are the messages or lesson in the story. These themes help us understand life better and connect with characters. Great job today, class. Now you may leave. Thank you, class. Thank you and God bless.